In this lecture, we're going to discuss how to add sitemap into Google Webmaster's tool. So basically now the question is, what is a sitemap? So a sitemap is a list of pages of a website accessible to crawlers or users. So in simple words, a sitemap is a piece of code that lets the search engine crawlers know what to index in your blog. So it really helps and it makes indexing your website very fast. So in order to submit a sitemap, all you need to do is open up your Google Webmaster tool, and inside Google Webmaster tool, all you need to do is simply from the left side here you will see the option saying crawl. So simply click here, and here you will see an option saying sitemaps. So from here you can add sitemap by simply clicking on this big red button where it says add test sitemap. So simply click here, and you can add a sitemap by simply pasting a piece of code. So this code will be available in the next lecture as a downloadable PDF. So basically, we have to submit sitemap of different posts. I highly recommend you to add sitemap of only 500 posts, and you can later on, if you have more than 500 posts, you can later on add a sitemap 2 or a sitemap 3. So let us add a sitemap for the 500 posts. So simply copy this code and simply paste it here, and simply click on submit, and simply click on close. So now the sitemap has been added. So let me explain this. So this was the sitemap for the post up to 500. So for the post from 501 to 1000 posts, we have to paste this sitemap, and for the 1000 to 1500 posts, we have to paste this sitemap. But if we have more than 1500 posts, you can simply edit this. So I will simply edit it to 1501 and this to 2000. So that's how you can edit this piece of code to increase the sitemap, to add the sitemap of the post above 500. So now let me refresh this page again so that we can see our sitemaps. As you can see that one sitemap has been added. Now let us add a sitemap 2 for if you have more than 500 posts. So let me paste this one. As you can see that this one is from 501 post number to 1000 post. So let me click on submit, and let me click on close. Let me click on refresh page, and you will see that the two sitemaps have been added. As you can see that this sitemap is for the post up to 500 for the first 500 posts, and this sitemap is for the post above 500 to 1000. So that's how you add sitemap into Google Webmaster Tools.